In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There were two smokers, and both of them decided to quit smoking, and they did succeed in quitting the smoking. Smoking, as you already know, it is a bad habit, and a bad habit indeed. Smoking is an addiction. Now these two smokers, they decided simultaneously at the same time that they are going to quit smoking, and they succeeded in it. Both of them are not a smoker anymore. After few months, one of them decide to let the other people know, let the other smokers know how bad it is and how important it is to come out of that bad habit. And this ex smoker also decided that she will be telling it to the non smokers as well, to the high risk non smokers as well, that they too should protect themselves from such a bad habit, which is bad and very bad in every sense. Now the other person, he said that it is not my responsibility to make the other people quit the smoking, and it is not my responsibility as well to tell the non-smokers, high risk non-smokers, that they should protect themselves, that they should not come toward this smoking is a bad habit, but it is their responsibility, and the media is telling them. I don't need to tell them. For me it is enough, and it was enough that I have succeeded in quitting the smoking. I am content with this thing. Now after the lapse of 5 years of time, the person who the ex-smoker who decided to quit the smoking, but he decided simultaneously, he decided at the same time that he will try to let the other people quit smoking as well, let the other people protect themselves from such a bad habit which is called smoking. Now this person, after the passage of 5 years, he was still a non-smoker, while the other person who thought and decided that for me it is enough to be a non-smoker again, and I am not going to let other people, I'm not going to let to work upon other people for quitting the smoking. This person became a non-smoker, became a smoker again. Most of the people who quit smoking, they restart it, and it is not with one case only. There are plenty of it, and plenty of it. The people who are found smoking today, ask them that did you try earlier somewhere in the life. Many of them will say yes, I tried to quit smoking, and I did quit smoking as well. For some of the time, after the lapse of few months, after the lapse of few weeks, after the lapse of few months, or after the lapse of few years, I restarted the smoking. Now this person, he was the one who decided to be content with the quitting of smoking, and he was not willing to let the other people know. He was not desirous of motivating other people to stay away from the smoking. Now the person who had actually who kept working upon the other people for some of his time, for some of his days time. Now this person, not only that he succeeded in keeping oneself away from the smoking, not only this thing, rather while motivating others, while convincing others, this person developed one's communication and developed it a lot. This person developed their confidence and developed it a lot. This person, the ex-smoker, this person was motivating, convincing, persuading other people to stay away from the smoking. Now This person has developed certain qualities of a leader as well. Certain qualities of a leader has been garnered into his personality as well. Now this person, I think so, made a very right decision, while the other person who was a shirker, the other person who was not having a kind of enthusiasm, a kind of emotion, a kind of commitment for the humanity. This person, not only that he became a smoker again, rather this person could not develop his communication abilities, his leadership abilities, and their ability to convince and to persuade and to motivate the people. Now now let's talk. Now please do tell me that who was a better person, who was a wiser person, who made the right decision, who developed the right sort of attitude. Obviously, the first type of person, the person who worked upon the other people as well, not only upon oneself. Now I am going to put forward, I am going to spread this principle upon the other bad habits as well. All of us are having the bad habits, not one of us, not two of us, most of us are having the bad habits of one type or the bad habit of another type. Rather, almost each one of us are having certain bad habits, and I think so. Now it is needed to quit those bad habits and to come to the right sort of, to come to the good habits. And but some of the people, they decide that I shall motivate the other people, I shall try to convince the other people, I shall try to persuade the other people that they too should quit all the bad habits. I shall be working upon myself as well as I shall be working upon the other people as well, so that they people too can quit the smoking. They people too can quit the bad habits as well. Now I believe that this person will succeed if in eliminating, in eradicating, in getting rid of at least some of the bad habits, if not necessarily each and everyone else. Not only that he have succeeded in getting rid of certain bad habits, but also this person is developing the communication skill. This person is developing the skill of motivating, persuading, convincing other people. And this person is developing the qualities of the leadership. This person is having a very good contact and a network of the contacts. Now tell me, who is in a better position? Obviously this one. While the other person, the other category of the people who think that I don't need to motivate, to convince other people, to persuade other people from staying away the bad habits. For me it is enough that I myself am away from the bad habits. I think so this person will not be able to succeed in getting rid of the bad habits. This person will not only fail here, rather she will not be able to develop the communication skills, the leadership skills, the skills of motivation, and the skills of persuasion as well. Now who is better and what we need to think? I have put forward a kind of comparison between the two types of people. Now it's me, up to me and you, what we decide about our lives, what sort of attitude we are going to have. It depends upon we ourselves. Thank you.